it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do my Kill a Kit for my How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I did decently. I do have some plans and I'll share that with you. I've made a couple decisions though, like partly that is just going in the garbage. That too. I didn't get to use these, and I'm not sure that I'm going to. So I might keep these ones to put into Traveler's Notebook section. Yeah, I'm gonna put those in my Traveler's Notebooks, and I'm keeping this, and you'll see why in a second. And I'm gonna get rid of that. And I still really like this, so I'm not sure what I'll do with that there. If I don't use these up in my plans, which you'll see in a minute, these are going to go into the collection I have to do my giveaway for you guys. Those are going to go in there. I have decided to let go of this paper. This will be going in with the giveaway as well, along with this one. I'm just not going to get to it, and I'm ready to let that be and be okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and hand this and give it to someone who whoever wins the giveaway. However, I still have these two, which are like my favorites. And I have this one, which I plan to fussy cut and do some stuff. So let me explain. I grabbed my photos already, and I'll kind of explain, and then I'll just have process videos when I can get to them, because as you all know, there's a baby coming, and I'm filming this the week he's coming. It's the 23rd right now that I'm filming, and he is going to be here. I'm so sorry, this has been off but he is going to be here on the 26th, so I have to pre-plan and do what I can do. So I'm not sure when I'll get to these, but I'll try. I have pulled some photos that I think are going to work with what I want to do. So I have this photo I've been wanting to scrap forever. I love this photo, even though it's just so silly. But this was during summer camp, and I believe it was last year. And Jackson in the morning, like while we were waiting, because we get there kind of early. I'm very much a be on time, if not super early type of person. And he would roll down the window and just hang out and say hi to everyone that walked past. And I think it's funny and was such a him thing. So I want to document that. And it just matches this paper so perfectly that I'm going to go ahead and pull that so I can create a layout with that one. And then this one I just took these photos, and though this one really doesn't match, that's okay. This one really does match, and I want to talk about how last week, this is a very recent photo, last week I had a doctor's appointment, and then I went to my work, and this beautiful gift basket for the baby was waiting for me, filled with all of these amazing goodies, and I just felt so blessed, and it was just an amazing surprise. And so I really want to document that, and I just feel like this just matches it really well, so I'm going to go ahead and let this be my starting point to create this layout. And then finally, like I said, I want to fussy cut this, and I'll probably go up to the pink, and maybe I can save that yellow. I don't know. I'll put it in my scraps. But I have this photo, and the reason why I'm saying pink is because Nora's wearing pink. And this is from Jackson's birthday just this past weekend. And his request for his birthday was he wanted to do a family swim. And so that's what we did. And I have this scrap, and it happens, I really love the way that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And then I have this just in case if I need a layering piece, and the same with the yellow. He does have yellow in his pants, but this will probably just end up going in my scraps. I'm not ready to get rid of this, so that's just going to go in my scraps if not. And same thing with this, because I still do plan to cut this. Happiness is a Day at the Beach, and either put it in my Traveler's Notebook spread, which is what I think would be a fabulous idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this, so this summer I can put that right there. So yeah, I have this scrap that I can use for layering if I so desire. But that's my plans and what I did. At the very end of this video, you're going to see the layouts. There was only 1 or 2 layouts I had done before I tried to finish killing this kit. And then everything else you should have seen this month. So I'm not going to do a layout share with you or anything, but I will post them so you can have a look at them. And like I said, these 2 for sure. These, if I don't use them on here, are going into the giveaway. And speaking of the giveaway, if you would like to receive the remains of my kit, and if you watch the very first video about how I split it up, and there's already a decent amount that I am sending to somebody that I have somewhere, I just can't remember where it's hiding at the moment. Please let me know below and I will put your names all, I'll just write them out and then do random.org and announce the winner. Let's say I'll announce the winner in like, I don't know, February the 2nd. No, let's do, I'll announce the winner the first Monday of February, I guess, if that's fine, because I'm doing this right. I mean, this is going up on the 30th, I believe. So yeah, if you want to let me know soon, and I will announce the winner Monday, whatever that February, I think it's the 4th, Monday the 4th, and I'll announce a winner. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.